Hello friends and welcome back. Now in previous trial when we did at the beginning when we got an error. We asked to give us on network D firewall, but actually the ChatGPT made a mistake because it was trying to set up the firewall based on IP tables, and that's why it crashed. It didn't give us any firewall at the first trial. On the first trial, if you remember, there was a connection error because if you look back onto the details, it was setting up the firewall. We told it to set up the firewall based on a network D, but it was setting up the firewall based on IP tables, and that's why it crashed. On the second attempt, yes, it did our firewall based on the network D, but I forgot to ask the to allow port 5432 to access to the PostgreSQL database. I mean, it gave us the access, the UFW gave us the access to SSH, HTTP and HTTPS, but I forgot to tell the ChatGPT to allow also the port 5432 to access through the Ethernet interface. So now let's try it again and let's see what will happen. Will the UFW setup will allow so for this part I'm not sure why it's using a bridge. So let's see, this is the path. Okay. Although the code is a little bit different, but it's, yeah, now it's adding, ChatGPT is adding it. So now we can access to our PostgreSQL using the port 5432. Usually what we do is use UFW allow into EMPS 025 to any port 5432. That's it, but this is another version which is using on just a port of TCP. But it's also okay, it's also fine. Although if we do it on our, when we mention that to allow into EMP, we mention the Ethernet name to any port 5432, it would be more specific that we will telling the firewall only use that Ethernet with the specified name. So that will be more specific, that version. My version, usually I use it. Sudo UFW allow into EMP, let's say the Ethernet name, and then to any port 5432. But this is also fine. Okay, so it can do. Now the ChatGPT proved that it can do also. Now let's see if it can do with IP tables. I made the same thing, same request, except that I asked it to use using filter IP tables. Well, let's see if it can do.